Online. This is your host, Shane. Today, we're just going to go over the charts, the market, and the latest news. So, some good news: the world's largest sovereign wealth fund grows indirectly because of Bitcoin exposure by 153%. Litecoin is going up. Bitcoin hash rate is poised to slow down, which I don't know that that is a necessarily good thing. But some other news is Czechoslovakia, I think it was Czech, they approved having Bitcoin as their part of their treasury. So Norway's sovereign wealth fund, managed by the Norge Bank Investment Management, is going to have positions in MicroStrategy, Square, Tesla, Merrill Holdings, Riot Platforms, and Coinbase. So that's a big deal. Also, Tesla, now with the new change where businesses can count Bitcoin on their profits, as far as their profits go, has brought Tesla from a few millions to the billion-dollar wealth or value for their company. So really a lot of value there for Tesla, being able to count its Bitcoin. So we see the industries are getting exposure to Bitcoin, and it is proving out to be a valuable asset for them. So this is something we want to keep aware of, and be aware that these things are happening. We are getting mixed news that Bitcoin will not possibly enter the central bank reserves, but it could still be a stockpile as an asset. So I don't think all is lost yet. Also, opinions can change. You know, we know the old guard, I guess, here in the U.S. They don't want to let go. They don't want to give up. There is some percent chance that Bitcoin could drop into the 90,000 or even as low as 75,000 before April, but that's only a 10% chance, according to analysts here that are quoted on Cointelegraph. Fed chair calls Congress to move on crypto regulatory, so that is still pushing forward, and a lot of good news. So I think we can be excited about that. We're kind of doing the news in reverse. I've got to give you a really brief news today. As you can see, I am on the road. Bitcoin price going up as the U.S. GDP boosts the Bitcoin bull case. So a lot of companies declaring Bitcoin on their in their treasury. That's helping. So I think we're going to see some good news because of that. Yeah, nothing really too earth-shattering in the news. Let's take a look at the charts. Our market cap is up to 3 trillion, 3.7 trillion. So that's good news. Bitcoin back up 105,000. Maybe this weekend we will test 109 and finally break that level and go up over 110,000. We'll have to see if that happens. Well, let's take a quick look at the chart here. Let's take a quick look at the chart. Yeah, I mean, there is a bit of a building there. It could bounce up in a correction there. Let's see what the 7-day looks like. That's pretty hacky. The 1 month. Yeah, I mean, definitely see an upward climb right here. The 3 month, looking pretty even. Not anything really going on. Let's look at the 1 year, and yeah, not a lot to read there as well. So we still have our cup and handle. This is a little spout here that could continue up even more. You know, is this piece right here, or is it this one right here? Either one is good. I would be happy to get that. I think we are still going to see some more gains. We have not definitely hit our all-time highs. So let's go ahead and look down the list here. Here we go. That's what I want right there. Oops. All right, just a second here. All right, here we go. So Coinbase followed by Ethereum. Ethereum still pretty low, under 3,500, way under at 32.73 or 32,000. Excuse me, 33,273. followed by XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, the top 10, then followed by Tron, Chainlink, Avalanche, which I've got some news about, Stellar, Sui, Hydra, Toncoin, Shiba Inu, Wealth, and Litecoin at 22 are our top contenders. The time chain calendar shows us that Satoshis are not on sale. If you don't know what a Satoshi is, it takes 100 million Satoshis to equal one Bitcoin. For $1, you can get 948 Satoshis. Our price prediction for 5-day on CoinCodex has gone up. We're looking at a $114,000 Bitcoin is possible with the charts. The 1 month is 133 and the 3 month is at 158,000. Altcoin season we see here is kind of cool in the middle. So yeah, I don't think altcoin season has come close to happening yet. I think we're quite a ways off. Fear and greed very low considering all the money that's gone into the market and some of the price gains. Looks like we're already used to that 100,000 plus number. It's not exciting us anymore at 54% fear and greed according to CoinMarketCap. Not a lot going on there. So, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I think we're steady. I think you see a lot of companies buying in. So, I think we're still poised for a big market jump here. Let's see what happens this weekend. Hopefully, we can break that $110,000 Bitcoin. I will talk to you tomorrow if at all possible. Goodbye. Have a great day. Goodbye.